What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress Themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn to use the Google Nano AI to edit images, okay? First thing, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content for a friend of yours. After this, go to Google and type this, okay? LM Arena AI. Click into this first link. This is a free AI that uses the same engine, okay? So all you have to do is upload your image into this button right here, upload image. Then you're going to need to select generate image and write some style, some command, some prompt. In this case, I would like to change the background and change the glasses, okay? So all I have to do after uploading the image is click on the proceed. I will not cut the video so you can see. Normally it takes up to 15 seconds to generate the image. It's really fast. And you're going to give you two results. Here the image looks fine. Now I would like to give some command, but I'm gonna need to choose one image. I think this one is okay. So I prefer now I would like to change the t-shirt, okay? So all I have to do is write a new command. And into every moment you can simply select the image and copy, okay? Let me write a new command. As you can see, the results appear really fast. Simple, right? And of course, really good and easy to use. And that is, do your tests, do the styles that you want, and let me know into the comments if it helps you or not. And that is, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I'll see you guys later. All the best!